a bow and arrow. You might want to see how it shoots. Okay. It's got 2 bullets. Look inside. It's dark. And it's kind of powerful, the rubber band. You just put the bullet through the hole right there, just pull it, and you just put one at a time. You just put one on the top and put one in and shoot. And something's on the bottom right here, and it's red. That's the thing. If you don't want to shoot, you just put the rubber band right there. This is go online and put Connect Guns on YouTube. So just put Connect Guns. Put Connect Guns on YouTube and sign your in Connect Guns. Sign it and watch all the Connect Guns you want to watch.